We've got one of the jewels of our entire collection right here. 1966 Nova, meticulous nut and bolt rotisserie restoration, 502 fuel injected crate motor under the hood, air conditioned, 4-speed, 9-inch rear end. Underneath is so polished, it's like jewelry underneath. I just talked with the gentleman, again, that built the car. He's owned it 20 years. He's a machinist. He has about 10 cars. Very meticulous guy. There's only about 600 miles on this car since it's been built. He had it at Cobo Hall in Detroit. That's an extremely prestigious judged show. Some of the finest cars in the country go to that show, and he won an award for best engineering. But anyway, this is a really, really outstanding car in every aspect. Go to volocars.com where you can see about 200 beautiful classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and the monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So the fit and finish is amazing, far better than when it was new. It has a metal cowl hood on it, absolutely like glass. I don't see a ripple, a mark, a defect. Absolutely straight. The gaps are square, flush, smooth. Little tiny nick down there, little tiny one. All this is pristine, no emblems, all nice and clean. All fits beautifully. Shuts like a new car. The roof, same thing. The sail panels, absolutely straight. No funny business. I don't see an issue. I don't see a flaw. This is absolutely straight. It's blue metal flake glass. Absolutely pristine. Look at the gaps. And again, I don't see any body work, bubbles. The lines are so nice. Now, they used to have a screw-on gas cap. I made a flush mount gas cap. It has one of those fillers. You stick the nozzle right in there, and there's a hidden kill switch up underneath there as well. All of this pristine. I mean, look at the body lines, all straight, all smooth. Nice. I barely gave it any effort. So the body is pristine. It's a tweaked version of the Marina Blue. He says it has a little bit more pearl in it. The metal flake is laid out evenly and again polished like glass. Absolutely stunning body and paint. Every piece of chrome and trim, he said, is new. All the moldings, the grille, the emblems, the bumper, the lenses, all of that looks new. In the glove box, there's two little blue painted nubs if you want to take the wipers off and just put the blue nubs on there for a cleaner look. All of the glass was replaced, the windshield, all the glass. He said every gasket, every seal was replaced. All this trim, sparkling. Not only was it all replaced, but it all fits beautifully. That's over half the battle. You can buy the new parts, but making them fit on the car and function the way they're supposed to, that's a big deal. 17-inch billet specialty wheels, nice looking wheels, obviously extra wide in the back. They're wrapped in some performance tires. The stance is great. This thing is really squatted down. He said he had this panel done 3 times. He actually took it to a different shop to get the chrome on this panel up to his standards. Tail lights, all of this is beautiful. Wait till you see underneath the car. Incredible. Well, it's all incredible. Let's open it up and finish the tour. You're going to really like what you see in here. I know I liked it. So under the trunk lid, painted beautifully, stainless hardware. The jamb is slick. The weather strip's new. Look how they've lined everything real nicely in carpet. Boxed the side panels. Has that ultra leather. But take a peek up there. I almost didn't even notice. There's the relocated battery. There's 6x9 speakers, a subwoofer, and look at them 2 big amplifiers there. This thing's got a rockin' stereo in it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new cars are posted. Do check out our website as well. And I'm telling you, the cars, they're all beautiful on our website. They're all great. This is one of the exceptional ones. The jambs are painted slick, all the hardware, excellent shape. Notice the little oval Interior light at the bottom corner of the door, that's custom. The rest of it looks like it's reproduction door panels, armrest, actually a custom door handle though. And he also added the power windows. So let me light up that dash for us. You know, custom AC vents, this whole panel, all these panels, all this trim is all custom. Digital gauges, 618 miles since it's been done. I like the stereo. I like how all this is just done so nicely. Here's the AC controls, more vents, done real nice. Here's those little nubs that go over the wipers. If you wanted to take those off, extra key and a remote for the stereo. Kick panel speakers, real nice carpet and mats. Looks like a reproduction Super Sport 4-speed console with a Hurst 4-speed. Cushions are all redone. Seats are like new. Look how they fit. No wrinkles. They've added seat belts to the car. 66 was still an option. So all the trim, everywhere you look, beautiful. Same thing in back. Carpet, the upholstery, the armrests, the side panels, all beautiful. Everything fits real nice. The whole rear shelf, all the trim, it's all in excellent shape. Headliner is new and I don't see a wrinkle. Dome light works, visors are redone. There's a nice billet mirror. Looks like a carbon fiber steering wheel on a polished tilt column. All new, upgraded, wiring. This car was stripped down to a shell and completely redone. And again, done with a lot of pride and meticulous care. That's obvious if you were here looking at it in person. Through pictures, a lot of them look the same, but this one's exceptional. So that's a Crate 502 horsepower. It's a ramjet. And boy, look at all the polished parts on here. Everything's chromed and polished. The aluminum heads, notice they're smooth. They don't have that rough cast finish. He had these polished, deburred and polished, but look how everything is sparkling. It's like a dual ramjet system. Smooth firewall. Look how the braided lines are neatly run. You have these extra supports. It keeps the car from twisting. All painted beautifully. AC parts are polished. The compressor's down low. He made this here shroud. It's hand fabricated, the whole shroud, not just on top. All the pulleys are polished. Chrome alternator down there. Power brake system. Stainless nuts and bolts throughout the engine bay. Under the hood's painted. That's real slick there, real nice. Michael's going to show you how it runs. We'll see you in a couple minutes.
All right, everybody, super excited to present this Nova to you guys. It has to be the nicest Nova that we have, and definitely one of the nicest Novas that's going to be available for sale. This thing is just spotless top to bottom, really high quality build. Won best engineered card at Cobo Hall, so that definitely says something for its quality. 502 under the hood. Ramjet fuel injection, so you got some reliability as far as that's concerned. And then a 4-speed manual. That does have the line lock on there also. But I can't encourage you enough. Get on our website, check out the pictures of the undercarriage. It has to be one of the best that we have in our inventory without a doubt right now. Extremely impressive, and the parts don't just look good, but they're very high quality as well. Great sounding exhaust. Let's see what she's got. like that up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. First time I ever drove the car, so not really used to it, but man, what an accelerator. Absolute beast. And yeah, set up real nice. Feels fantastic. Clutch is great. We'll see how she goes down the road. That is a really, really nice alignment on this car. Can't say enough about it. Our shop went over this car top to bottom. Detail also. Spent about $2,700 tightening up some loose ends and keeping her absolutely spotless. Other than that, she's ready to rock, man. This thing's sweet. Call our sales department and arrange a test drive if you'd like. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. You have to check out the pictures of the underside of this car on our website. It is beautiful. It's a work of art. Again, taken to a bare shell, put on a rotisserie. The floor pans are finished just as nice as the top, just as glossy, painted the same blue. He did put frame connectors front to back, and he actually cut them to contour the floors so they sit nice and flat. There's no gap between them and the floor. They look like they belong there from the factory. He is a chassis works front and rear suspension. So it's a new subframe up front, independent suspension with polished, I believe they're stainless tubular control arms, coilover shocks, rack and pinion steering that's even polished. In back, it's a 4-link system with the panhard bar going diagonally across, adjustable coilover shocks, all polished parts. Anything that's not polished, stainless or chrome, is painted gloss like the car. The exhaust system was custom made. Everywhere, it's all stainless, and everywhere there was a weld, it was ground smooth. So the entire exhaust system is smooth and polished like chrome, front to back. The mufflers look like mirrors. It has disc brakes at all 4 wheels, has nice polished calipers. He handmade all the stainless steel lines, the brake and fuel lines. He made all those. They're all neatly run. You look up at the bottom of the motor, it's painted this blue. Heavy duty scatter shield is painted blue. Has a chrome high torque starter. It's a Muncie 4-speed trans that was all rebuilt, and just like the heads, he did it deburred and polished. So the Muncie trans is smooth polished aluminum. Custom drive shaft goes back to a Profab heavy duty 9-inch rear end with 411 posi gears, all painted blue. Fuel system, the tank is painted blue. Boy, I don't know if I left anything off the list there, but it's a work of art underneath this car. Again, you get that right one, the fit, the finish, and the function. That's this one right here. You can go look at 100 of them, and I doubt you'll find one better than this. Go to volocars.com. Don't miss your opportunity here. Talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, like how you're going to get your Nova delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.